If Shiba Inu breaks through the next barrier of resistance, things could seriously go wild, and it's nowhere near done yet, guys. This is just the inception of hopefully what could be something amazing. And at this point, Shiba Inu is not really even just a meme coin anymore. It's packed with utility and even fundamentals. So I do think it is possible in the upcoming bull run, because we're not at the top yet, guys, for Shiba Inu to remove a zero here, because $60 billion market capital is something I believe can happen for this particular ecosystem. As for when, well, that's one thing I have no knowledge about. But guys, let's talk about Shiba Inu today, and you know how it works. Get everyone knowing about Shiba, like the video, let the world know, so we can create more meme culture and community. So jumping into the update here for Shiba Inu, we're up to 0.00002608. Humongous price movement over the last 24 hours. You can see from lows of, let's get the price up for you guys, 0.000021 up to a swing local high of the 274. So things are looking pretty juicy here. Market cap now just sitting over $15 billion for your favorite furry friend Shiba Inu. So yeah, guys, we can see the market overall is feeling greedy. The sentiment here is crazy. People are rushing in, getting home from work, probably taking extra long poops, you know, in the loos whilst you know, at work, so just so they can scroll through their charts. I mean, who's not guilty of doing that? And overall, parabolic markets, guys. This could be a transient phase. We don't know how long it's going to last, and we do have, of course, the Bitcoin halving coming up. Now, what we do know is, looking at two different keywords here, Shiba Inu versus Pepe coin, Shiba Inu is taking actually most of the market share in terms of, you know, traffic and volume. The interest itself is much higher, even though Pepe coin has actually delivered on paper more gains right now. So that's a very interesting thing, but this does of course reflect consumer retail behavior and shows us that everyone is kind of rushing into the meme sector right now. If you're new here, guys, do want to hit your crypto goals this upcoming bull run, do smash that subscribe button. That would really help. I know you guys are programmed to read over subscribe, but if you can, that would be really helpful. Now, since we recently looked at Shiba, we can see this nice kind of horizontal pattern that we've been looking at. We've got tons of support now at around this region here, the 0.000023 region. And looking at the relative strength index on this time frame here, let's quickly move to the 4-hour time frame. We can actually see it's in quite a nice channel as well. So we are getting those impulses up and down. We're getting those sell-offs and those buybacks come in. But overall it is holding quite nicely, and I think we could potentially see another leg up here for Shiba Inu. And if we do, this is where things get very interesting, because we can see we had a very big pump, didn't we, which was this movement here, moving the coin up 30%, and typically you're going to get a natural correction off of this. And you can see if we correct to the 0.5 fib, that's 246 for Shiba. But more interestingly, this is kind of forming a bullish reversal pattern, a bit of a falling wedge trading pattern here, which typically can break out to the upside. And if we use our Fibonacci again, this would actually give us a pragmatic target of between the 1618 and 2618 Fibonacci, somewhere around this region, because so far it's hitting the target every single time. And if it does, that's going to take Shiba to some ridiculous price levels. It's going to take us back to this territory here of the 0.00003, which is very bullish if we could see this happen. So right now it's just merely speculation, but that would be very important. That'd be a massive move, one of the biggest highs that we've seen Shiba enter a territory that only it once was at back in the last bull run. So this would be very strong for Shiba if we can see this next leg up, which would be absolutely fantastic. So ideally, if we do come down a bit to the support 2-3, that's fine. But if we can get those buybacks and move to the upside, that's where things can get really explosive for Shiba Inu. But that is my target over here, looking at a very mere 18% move to the upside. We do, of course, have lots of support to the downside as well. I'm not saying Shiba Inu can't go down, because this thing can, of course, fall down very quickly if it wants to, if the market takes a U-turn, if Bitcoin for some reason dumps, or if something bearish happens, or there's a black swan announcement in the markets. These are things that we can't control, but right now the trend is your friend until it isn't. We've also got Shiba name day almost here, early access registrations of Shiba name tokens open Tuesday. So this is 5th of March at 1 p.m. UTC. Save the date. Here's a sneak peek of Sheeb Name the Day. So you can see it says Sheeb Names launch March 5th coming up. Real world assets are coming to Sheeb. So I don't know what this could be, but even more utility and something else to look forward to in the Shiba ecosystem. Overall, more tokens are being burnt as well. Last 24 hours, another 68.7 million Shiba tokens have been burnt in the ecosystem. And we were talking about recently how Shiba roughly has 15 trillion new tokens every single year going to supply. That's something we want to reduce to keep it more deflationary. Right now, it is an inflationary ecosystem, I believe. So token value is diluted every single year, and when we see more coins go into the ecosystem. But yeah, overall looking pretty good, and we should see some more, hopefully, upside here for Shiba, because the bulls are just so strong right now. You can't fight the bulls. Retrospectively speaking, we're still very far from the previous all-time high by market capital, but I think there's plenty of room for growth, and these coins, when they start moving, they don't stop. And you can see, just looking back here, September 21, it came up to like a similar valuation, it held for a few weeks, and then it went crazy again. So if Shiba can hold here for a few weeks, it might have the chance to go absolutely crazy again as well. Bit of speculation for you. Also guys, if you're looking to enhance your crypto journey, consider becoming a crypto patron, part of the Jacob's Crypto Clan. I've unlocked now more Crypto Champion and Crypto Legend slots for you guys. And thank you so much for joining as well. This is part of your journey as well as our journey. We have the journey together. So if you want to unlock over 500 trading signals per month, early access to stealth launches, the next big pink sales, early access to whitelistings, and just generally spot trade signals, leverage signals, all that great stuff which you will find in the Discord channel once you do subscribe as a patron right here. Yeah, you're gonna get all that juicy stuff. So achieve financial freedom is the big mission here. That's what we all want, guys. I know we're all busy as well. We've got private lives, working, families. So if you're someone that's busy and you just want that stuff delivered to you personally, like in a chat or something, and you want those signals so you don't have to do the hard work, that's all down below for you to find out. Now, periods when to make money. This is an interesting chart. I want to just show you this because I think if you are new to the markets and you've already got an investor mindset, you're already one step ahead of most of the people out there. You know, you got to have patience in these markets. One sec, guys. Just hang on, please. Yeah. Okay. So basically, periods when to make money, years in which. So let's just break this down together. I'm kind of just going off topic here. Let's not go off topic. Let's just stay on topic. Yeah. Right. We can see here is a period of when to make money, and this chart will reflect exactly when the good and bad times are. And historically, it's happened every single time. There's been a correlation. The data points here are valid. So we can see C here, where you've got this little hand pointing. These are the years of hard times, low prices, and a good time to buy stocks. So if we go back to 2012, that was a good time to buy stocks. 2023, which was just last year, was apparently a good time to buy stocks of all kinds, whether it's crypto, digital assets, commodities, sugar, rice, whatever. It's a good time. Fast forward to point B. It says years of good times, high prices, and the time to sell stocks and values of all kinds. So if you accumulated in 2023, you could speculate that selling in 2026 may be very lucrative and offer a lot of financial prosperity. 2026, fast forward, it will actually skip point A, in which years in which panics have occurred and will occur again. So that's a good thing. We don't want to see that, right? I mean, that was COVID. And if you look at this here, point A, 2019, COVID happened in 2020. Mind blown, right? So what happened after 2026 will revert into a bear market of 2032. That's when you accumulate again. And apparently just before it goes into bad times, you'll see good times one more time. So this kind of maps out when to make money. And right now we're in one of the best times ever to be making money. So very, very happy to share this with you. Cool little article from Medium over there. I didn't make this myself, but it's something you should research on. And yeah, this brings me to the next thing, or the next part of this video, I guess. If you're still here, then thank you for being here, and let me know down below if you made it to the 9-minute mark. I want to know. Just comment 9 minutes down below if you made it this far. Now, the next big thing, that could potentially happen is meme combat, guys. Another quick shout out. Yes, I know you're probably bored of hearing it, but I'm bullish on this, and there's only 1 day and 4 hours remaining now for meme combat ecosystem, so time is running out if you want to get into this new 10x potential meme coin. Meme combat is an innovative new gaming platform designed for gaming enthusiasts. From active betting to passive staking, there are rewards for all users. Your favorite meme characters that you can see on screen right here, you're going to be able to like watch them battle each other on an arena. You can earn rewards from like wagering on them, and just, you know, the whole play to earn side will soon come to life. So it's really a vibrant, fun ecosystem. One meme combat token is $0.279. You can also, you know, buy on different chains. You've got ERC20, you've got BSC. If you want to avoid those gas fees, all you do is you visit the link I've got down below, which will take you to Meme Combat, the official website, and you connect your MetaMask wallet, convert either Ethereum or Tether into your desired amount of your Meme Combat tokens. So yeah, disclosure, I do hold this token. I do want to get more eyes on the particular project for that reason as well, but overall we've looked at many projects that have made people a lot of money recently. Frog with Hat, Sponge, Smog are a few of them, and they've returned ridiculous gains for the holders out there. And this meme coin is doxed, KYC'd, so I don't want to just present you with garbage. It is actually a doxed and KYC'd meme coin, so very exciting. Recently they also smashed through 20k followers on Twitter, which is of course very, very bullish, building that narrative, building that culture, building that community, ready for hopefully a massive launch which will happen on the 5th of March, which is literally tomorrow now at 6 p.m. CET. So save the date, check out the link down below, do some research on Meme Combat yourself, get familiar with the project and see if you actually like it. And hopefully we're going to see some parabolic price action, because it couldn't launch at a better time, whilst everything is basically meme coin related. Yeah, you can see, look, we're now up to a $50 billion valuation in the meme market. So following the money, the trend is your friend sort of thing. Many coins are still going parabolic right here. We've got Cummies up, Popcat, we've got Yes Money, some new coins that I've seen. I'm not going to look at these because I don't really know what they entail right now, but if we just look at some of the largest volume tokens, we've got Dogecoin, Shiba, Pepe, Bonk, Floki, and they are all up massively on the 7 days. So meme coins are certainly strong right now. And remember guys, if you're new here, do smash the subscribe button. Bitcoin halving, we're getting closer and closer towards the predicted date of the halving is April 19, 2024. And I do also want to remind you guys that historically we usually see Bitcoin crash a bit after the Bitcoin halving, so do be prepared for that as well if you are putting in big positions, and also try not to fight the trend. I know right now a lot of people that feel like they missed out are probably quite angry, and they're probably getting tempted to short on coins right now, like, oh, I missed this 10x on this meme coin, I'm gonna go 10x short because I'm peed off. Try not to fight the market, try not to trade emotionally, because fighting this greed and going short could be very risky. I just want to say that as well. So overall, markets are crazy. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm here to hopefully shine some insights into your lovely lives. Anyways, thanks for being here. See you soon. Stay crypto safe. And boom, these markets are so parabolic. We're going to the moon, baby. We're going to the moon.